Pranam. We are going to celebrate the 7th International Day of Yoga. This time, the theme is Be it Yoga, be at home. It's quite relevant in this time. And yoga is such a powerful tool. Even if you are doing inside a room, it will have the same impact. Yoga boosts our immunity. It helps us to keep ourselves fit physically as well as mentally. On a deeper note, it leads to the union of individual consciousness with that of universal consciousness. It brings a perfect harmony between mind, body, and the soul. I am sure you must have your plans for the International Yoga Day. People across the globe celebrated with enthusiasm and excitement. It's a gift from India to the world, and we must celebrate it. I am going to talk about the facial yoga. So, when someone tells about yoga, what clicks our mind? We think it is different body postures, the asanas, but facial yoga, you can call it facial yoga, plays a very important role uh, in the entire yogic practice. Do you know a child on an average smiles 400 times a day, whereas an adult smiles only 20 times a day? Why? It could be due to we intentionally don't want to smile. We try to look with serious uh, and more professional look, or maybe uh, the stress due to stress we uh, don't smile. But recently the studies have found smiling, even if it's a fake smile, brings a positive impact on our mind. It sets a positive mood. Essentially, the smiling triggers certain muscles on the face that trick the brain that you are happy, you are in a good mood. So that's all we need. So when your mind is convinced that you are in a good mood, then it sends out the signal and to the body you are happy. So see, such a simple thing. Just keep smiling. This is the first tip of facial yoga, to keep smiling. Even if there is no one around you, you look at your surrounding, look at the nature and smile. As far as possible, you keep smiling. That's number one. Second, uh, when a person is a bit worried or tensed, then you observe that person, the eyebrows will be like this, bit tense. So here we accumulate a certain stress. So you can try to release the stress by just gentle rubbing, gentle massaging, and try to straighten the eyebrows like this. And third, pulling your earlobes. Do you remember in our school days, the teachers used to ask to pull your ears as a punishment, and it is not unscientific. See, there are many veins that end here. So when you pull or gently rub the earlobes, what happens? It releases endorphins. Endorphin is a feel good hormone and it makes you happy. So this is the technique to release the endorphin. It also boosts the blood circulation. So overall, it makes you happy. With a better blood circulation, you tend to memorize the things easily, and that's what we were asked to do during our school days. See how scientific it is. So just include this in your facial yoga, pulling your earlobes. Then you can do your jaw massaging like this, just to manually reduce the stress. In addition to smiling, this also you can do. Now coming to the screen time. Screen time is increased exponentially due to the pandemic. I mean, thanks to the pandemic, that we are now glued to a mobile, laptop, desktop. So then what happens? So everything we are doing virtually, and we need to do also. That's the new normal. But that impact us a bit adversely. We have the pain on our eyes. We have neck pains, shoulder pains. So there is a very simple remedy to that. So you can try it. Let me just take out my specs. Just keep both your hands here, okay, and the thumb just below the ear like this, and rest your head on your hands. Then you move your eyes, only the eye movement, no head movement, up and down and up and down and up and down and left, right, left, right, left, right. Then circular movement, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Just you do this, you'll have immediate relief. You can do it like 2-3 rounds as per your convenience and the availability of time. So these are the small tips that I thought I will share with you. Happy International Yoga Day. Enjoy, stay safe, stay fit. Pranam.